Yo guys, it's Maddox Hans, and today we got the brand new 2024 Haunted Hills Productions Clown Horn. Okay, a little backstory about this. I bought this about, geez, it's been a while. It's been like 2 months, I think. It's finally here. I saw it on the website. It retails for, I think, $150, $130, somewhere in there. But yeah, I just got it. It's brand new. Let's get right into it. So here we go. I already opened the box. Oh, and wow, we can see everything. So first up, we have the Haunted Hill Productions sticker. Very cool. We have this thing right here. We have the charger. And one thing I did hear about Haunted Hills is that they weren't bringing there was like a recall or something like that because they weren't putting the charger inside the thing, so people had to go out and buy their own, which it was hard to do. But luckily mine actually did come with, and here's the battery for it, right here. It's painted red, it's very nice. It's like, just like a drill battery. And right here, oh wow, here we go. Oh, this is heavy. Here it is, here is my clown gun. Wow. This thing's really detailed, holy crap. This thing's very nice, has a nice grip on it. It's very cool. Let me get a little close-up of this. I don't know if y'all can see this, so I'm gonna go behind the camera real quick. See a good close-up of this thing. So right here is the gun. Well, it's not gun, but it's a clown horn. It's very nice. Nice paint. It has little squishy pom-poms on them. Very cool. Looks very nice. It's very nice. But yeah, so no matter further what to do, we'll go right to the demo. Here we go. Okay, so I got my clown guard. I am outside because just in case I don't know how loud it's gonna be. So let's just attach the battery right here, just like that. Let's give it a test, please. Let's wait for this car to pass. Let's try, alrighty? Here we go. Wow, that's very loud. It's very cool, very nice. I don't know if y'all can see it better. It's very nice. Let's give it a couple of squeezes. Very, very cool. Very, very loud. That's for sure. Probably everybody just probably heard that. But yeah, so there is the brand new 2023 Haunted Hills Productions gun. There's paint somewhere. Oh, it's like right here. Right here, it's just falling off, but it's okay. It's perfect. Got a little paint on me. It's all right. But yeah, so there it was, the 2024 Haunted Hills Productions clown gun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.